it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica is here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are again with Devin. Yeah, man. Devin Di Dakta with a helping hand. Devin Di Dakta with a helping hand. I'm assuming this is a massacre disc due to the thumbnail that I see earlier on. So, let's jump in it and see where Devin Di Dakta go on, man, because the mute are talented enough. Oh, there's a link in the comment section. The last man to go over there go subscribe a Batman. Yes, the last man we click on the link and go over there go subscribe a Batman. Yes, man. Run. Let's go.
Besides him being afraid, him just can't reply because boy him a go sing about the same fucker them. Anyway, me help him out.
Helping hand.
Genocide, you know. Fear who? One blood clot swamp.
Hold on.
Swamp by swamp, man. Suck on the mama boy, you know way. Fear which blood clot boy pussy well, you know but one cock. Crank up the fucking 16 fully tank up.
Hold on. Devin Di Dakta basically right just a clash himself. So him sing a song with you, now him reply as Massacre. He's singing from Massacre's perspective. Yo, big word, perspective. Blood clot.
Jamaica's worst game.
Perspective. I want to find that word there a while ago. I'm proud of myself, big time. So, yo, the man I sing from Massacre's perspective. Huh? What am I going to sing about?
Besides him being afraid, him just can't reply because boy him a go sing about the same fucker
Bumbo clot.
Anyway,
This never happened in a dance hall yet.
Yeah, genocide, you know. Fear who? One blood clot swamp.
This never happened in a dance hall yet. Devin Di Dakta break barriers, bro. One.
Suck on the mama boy, you know way. Fear which blood clot boy pussy well, you know but one cock. Crank up the fucking 16 fully tank up.
Alright, that flow there. Forward from when time Massacre and Canada clash. Beg rich blood clot friend pussy well, me no need that gunshot fly through. That song there, when do you call it at the same flow this.
Suck on the mama boy, you know way.
Alright, ready? Fierce blood clot boy.
Pussy well, you know but one cock. Crank up the fucking 16 fully tank up. Gunshot in your pussy face, you unconscious. Your big pussy mama know you're born for yam fuck.
See there at the same floor. Your big pussy mother know you're born for heat and run. Well, I'm gonna find the blood clot song. Can't think that joke me I make. At the same floor the boss I geared from. Yo, Devin Di Dakta. I don't know, bro. Like, hold on. Massacre. Ethan. I think I Ethan the song name. Ethan the song name. Here it is. Hold on. That's on the wrong account. That's why I give me an advertisement.
Yo, Kaleda.
Zita.
In a real bumbo clot life, youth. Say they know say you have to change your name before you war.
Listen to the floor.
Your birth name are Ethan Garden. Your mother know you're born for suck.
Listen to the bumbo clot floor. Time for the same thing. Listen. Beg rich blood clot friend from boy, you must be idiot.
Gunshot in the pussy, well I just need that. Still knocking on your pussy face, then as a real that your current name are Ethan. Squeeze one, knee pop, big.
Alright. Him also say, so Devin Di Dakta just say a while ago something about your mother no say you're born for eat fuck or something. Listen to part of the song now. Listen.
To real like your correct name are Ethan. Squeeze one, knee pop, your big pussy mother know you're born for eat cat. Trees up the free black.
Yo! The last one to click on the link in the comment section of Batman.
Besides him being afraid, him just can't reply because boy him a go sing about the same fucker.
So, I'm go search a song there. Massacre, Ethan.
Yeah, genocide.
Call it this.
Fear who? One
that song that dropped in
swamp.
2015.
Swamp by swamp, man.
This creative though, I like it.
Suck on the mama boy, you know way.
Beg rich blood clot friend from boy, you must be idiot.
Crank up the fucking 16 fully tank up. Gunshot in your pussy face, you unconscious. Your big pussy mama know you bad for yam fuck. Dada buck him up in the club, not a gangster. Pop off him belt buckle him, man no gangster. Shit.
So he's doing an Eminem right there, so he might do Eminem. When if you watch 8 Mile with Eminem tonight, and Eminem I go have him final clash. Eminem go up on stage and talk everything where him expect the opponent to talk, and that the G attack right there right now. This incident in a Taboo where Corey take off belt and make man beat Devin Di Dakta. That you hear him say it a while ago?
Dada buck him up in the club, not a gangster. Pop off him belt buckle him, man no gangster. Shane skull, ya why your brain get me back, bro. Make a pussy my fly beside the junker. Running a war run, dead in nice sport. Doctor fish I got dead the wall of them a guy float one.
Running a war run, dead in night. That's a scope. The latest song him drop for them.
Running a war run, dead in nice sport. Doctor fish I got dead the wall of them a guy float one. Crocodile pussy them a just stroke one. Let the bell tell the little guy come. Run up in a bar, you find dead youth. Shut a go clot in a your head too. Pop it off and my clothes, them a beg one. Genocide, them a force, them a dead.
Pop it off on my clothes. Yeah, pop it off on my clothes. How I talk off first. You know what the GSA right there, sir?
Pop it off and my clothes, them a beg one.
Yeah.
Genocide, them a force, them a dead. Small talk while we a shuffle these funds. Fall off, look strength, smart the game some. Pussy them a group up, but do these punks. Can't find hit a way, chat and make a straight jump. Rifle in a these trunks. Dollar kind up in a fame lungs. Pussy dress up in a wig when not do these stunts. Them a bow get a gunshot when in my head front.
Them about get a gunshot when them are in front. Pussy dress up in a wig. Yo!
Pussy dress up in a wig when not do these stunts. Them a bow get a gunshot when in my head front. Running a war run, dead in nice sport. Doctor fish I got dead the wall of them a guy float one. Crocodile pussy them a just stroke one. Let the bell tell the little guy come. Run up in a war, you going dead youth. Shut a go clot in a
head youth.
Pop it off and my clothes, them a beg one. Genocide, them a force, them a dead one. Country come a town, you're not bad yet. Swamp out every crocodile, make a mad step.
Country come a town, you're not bad yet. So, Devin Di Dakta far from St. Mary. So he must say, yo, Devin Di Dakta, your country will come a town, you're not bad yet. Yo, Devin Di Dakta, chop your fuck.
Country come a town, you're not bad yet. Swamp out every crocodile, make a mad step. Grand spend, left up on the ground like a pamphlet. Pussy continue race fall, make a omelette. Pussy gonna say what?
Pussy continue make race fall. Pussy continue race fall, make a omelette. Egg, omelette, fall, get it? Alright.
Took a ladder, shot this car. In a race fall, make a omelette. Pussy gonna say what we do took a ladder. Shot this car, recover from a case up.
Khalida, like me said, this song when it won here a while ago, that was for Khalida. This.
Like a meat shop, career done crash, now what time for heartbeat stop when my
So he must say. So also in that song, yeah, him say yo, that him you shot Dizzy and him not recover yet. That a Shan Dizzy him attack. Remember say Massacre and Shan Dizzy they clash. Yo, Devin Di Dakta doing homework. Yo, fucking body.
So pussy gonna say what we do took a ladder. Shan Dizzy can't recover from a case up. So continue play dumb till a taste gum. Till young skull still like your matic or your ears jump.
The young skull still like your matic or your ears jump. Yo, Smarty in the camp needs to answer Devin Di Dakta. He's taking the piss.
Running a war roll, them in nice scope. Doctor fish I got dead the wall of them a guy float one. Crocodile pussy them a take coke one. Let the bell tell the little guy come. Run up in a war, you going dead youth. Gunshot I got beat you wanna belt you.
It's creative as fuck.
Close them a beg. Shot no figure, I'm sick, all the host them a dead.
Hold on, who are dead?
Run up in a war, you going dead youth. Gunshot I got beat you wanna belt you. Pop it off, I'm a close them a beg. Shot no figure, I'm sick, all the host them a dead.
All the hosts, all enough you're dead too.
Running a war run, dead in nice sport. Doctor fish I got dead the wall of them a guy float one. Crocodile pussy them a just stroke one. Let the bell tell the little guy come. Run up in a war, you going dead youth. Shut a go clot in a your head too. Pop it off, I'm a close them a beg one. Genocide, them a force, them a dead.
Bomba clot. Last one, click link in the bio in the comment section and subscribe. Batman. Yo! Yo, what the fuck is going on, bro? This is crazy. Yo, the thumbnail, the thumbnail by itself, bro. Thumbnail by itself in the war, bro. Look at the fucking thumbnail, dog. Look at the thumbnail. Look on the cover art. A church mouse, you know. A crocodile is a church mouse, you know, this guys. Yo, so this was the last one from right there. See it here. Look what. Yo, the person who made the cover art, body of fuck. We go for the sale. We real to the dog. I see real to the dog. This creative as fuck, dog. Yo, this body, no dog. Me not know. Like me say no. Me never a mutual ground. Me not pick side, you know. This blood clot ya bad. Creative Devin Di Dakta. Creative. As usual. It's very creative. Very. Yo, big up yourself, Devin. Big up yourself, bro. That's all me I gonna say. Massacre. Genocide people them. Genocide fans them. Crocs. One of there. One of that roll out. Massacre on a piece of blood clot fire right now. You see youth. Yo, me no know. Yo, Josh Dra Massacre on one piece of pussy clot fire. You see, dog. Yo, what the fuck I go on, brother? Yo, they are laughing. I go on, try go on from the outside, looking out, looking even better. Yo! I don't want to think what I want in that comment section, though, man. Me there, man.
Binds! I know, sir, one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game, man. Him a react, we a watch.